Hi there, I'm Roy, and this is the first video in a series of short tutorials that will show you how to work faster in Sketch with Sketch Runner. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics of Runner, I'll show you how to set up a hotkey, navigating the UI, and I'll quickly demonstrate each command. Alright, let's get going. On first launch, you'll see this introductory wizard screen. Runner has 6 commands that each have their own type of search functionality. You can run menu items or plugin actions. You can go to other places in your document. You can insert symbols, create a symbol or a shared style, apply those styles to layers, and install third-party plugins. And there's a couple of other screens in this wizard that introduce you to new features like Run Bar and Rider, and I will explain these in a future video more in depth. The first step of customization is choosing a hotkey, or a shortcut if you will. This key combination will launch the Runner search window. We suggest a few popular shortcuts down here, but you can choose anything that you like. For example, Command R. But keep in mind, if you choose a shortcut that's already taken by Sketch, it will override it. In this case, Command R is for renaming a layer, and it will not do that anymore. It will launch Runner instead. My favorite shortcut is Command/, so I'll pick that one. Now let's launch Runner. By default, it opens with the run command. Here you can search for any menu item or plugin action. For example, I ended up with this messy layer list. By searching for collapse all groups, I can quickly clean it up. Now maybe a bit more interesting example. Let's say I want to cut out a piece of this content area here. I can create a layer, search for combine, and find all the Boolean operations and subtract it, just like that. Or let's say I want to make this text uppercase and just search for it and apply it like that. You navigate between different commands by hitting Tab or Shift Tab. So Tab all the way through the different commands, or use Shift Tab to go back. You can also use autocomplete to quickly switch right to the command that you want to use. Let's say apply. So I type A, hit Tab, and I go there right away. Or G, hit Tab, and go there right away. So the next command is go to, which pretty much does what it says. It lets you go to things in your document. Those things can be pages, artboards, or symbol masters. So let's go to work. Or go hiking. Next up is insert. With insert, I can search for any symbol in my library or local documents. So let's say I want to insert this button. There's much more to explore here, but I'll leave that for a separate tutorial. Alright, next up is create. Let's say I have this body text and I want to create a text layer out of it. Can go, jump to create. And here we see we can choose for either a symbol or a shared style. And you can click on those with the mouse, but you can also use Command plus Option and the arrow keys right and left to jump between the two. In this case, I want to create a body text. So create a shared style and apply it just like that. Maybe the parent layer, I want to create a symbol out of that. It's as simple as that. Next up is apply. Let's say I want to apply a different text style. I can search for all the left-aligned text styles. Maybe make it a serif text. Same for shape styles. This is a shape layer, not a text layer. So I can search for shape styles, like maybe a nice green color. And last but not least, you can install third-party plugins. Plugins are useful to automate tasks a computer is better at than us humans, like time-consuming ways of boring renaming layers, or making a specific selection of layers, or managing symbols and styles. So what we can do here is we can search for plugins that could make that easier. Let's say we want to make a smart selection. Just by searching for select, I see many plugins that can do something for me to ease my challenges. Let's try the first one. I can preview it, see what it does. All the actions are listed down here. And yeah, this might be useful. So I install it. And I can use it right away. Let's say we have these 4 cards. You can either click on them separately, but they have the same name and are from the same type. So I could use both of these things to select these layers. Go to run, search for select name, and we'll select similar layers with the same name in the artboard. Alright, that's it. Let's summarize this video. To launch Runner, you can set a hotkey that works good for you. There are 6 commands that can all find and execute different types of things. You can use Tab to navigate forward, Shift Tab to navigate back, or type a character and then hit Tab to autocomplete and quickly jump to the right command. I recommend you to explore each command a little more to see in what ways it can save you time while designing. I hope you learned a thing or two and got inspired to work faster. Be sure to check out the more in-depth videos of each command and the other Runner features to make the most out of the plugin. I'll see you next time.